Have you ever wondered how to cook an artichoke? Well, I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to do it by roasting, steaming, and boiling. Let's jump in. So first off, we're gonna clean this stem. We just wanna get it all nice and cleaned up. Then we wanna trim the stem, leave about 1 inch left on there, and then we also wanna cut the tip as well. Next, we wanna trim each leaf, cutting off the tip there. They can just tend to be a little sharp. So after we've done that, what I like to do is just put a little bit of lemon on the end, just because it can start to brown a little bit. So let's jump in. We are starting off strong by roasting our artichoke. We want to cut this one in half, the rest we will leave whole. But what we want to do here is we want to take out the fuzzy choke with a spoon. It might even require a knife. This is a tedious process, but I promise you it is worth it. Go ahead and drizzle it with olive oil and then season it with salt and pepper. And then you want to place it cut side down and roast it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next up, we are going to be steaming our artichoke. First off, we're going to put a couple of inches of water at the bottom of the pot. I'm putting a couple lemons and some salt in here. Cover and steam for about 30 to 45 minutes. Next, we are going to boil our artichoke. So we have a pot of boiling water, some lemon, some salt, and you want to cover and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. And voila, we have beautiful tender artichokes served well with aioli or a mayonnaise. But what is your favorite way to cook artichokes? Let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and like, follow, subscribe to Sanguina for more simple recipes.